There's a wonderful world of dressings out there, and that's why I think everyone should know how to do at least 5 different dressings. This one is particularly delicious because instead of using olive oil, I'll be using creme fraiche as the fat component to it. So in a bowl, add a nice amount of creme fraiche, which has a really lovely tangy flavour, and then some garlic, just half a clove, a little bit of mustard, about a tablespoon, and to really freshen this up, the zest of half a lemon. I'll also need the juice of half a lemon, and this is going to be the acidity component of this dressing. And to give it a really lovely savoury flavour, some Parmesan cheese. This is a wonderful take on the Caesar style dressing without the anchovies for those who don't like anchovies. We'll give it a mix, and that dressing's done. And what I love to do is serve this with a really hearty, crunchy style of lettuce, cos lettuce. Always leave the lettuce leaves to the last minute and then give that a really good toss. Creme fraiche is a fantastic substitute for oil in your next dressing, so give that a whirl when you're making your next salad.